we are going to show how we build our database. So this is our tables. As you can see, there are several tables that we have created. Each one has its own function. These tables record our data the data that is inserted through our forms. We are going to show, for instance, this table products. So this is how we created the table. The field name, the first field name shows the product ID with the others fields also having its specific function. So it is this first field name product ID is an auto value. So each time we insert a new client or product or whatever, it shows it automatically attributes another number. So in this case, as you can see, this is the database of our products. We can see a nice list of products that have already been inserted, and with its attributes that were shown on the table before. So the product name, type and description, price, and the units in stock. So we are going on the next step. We will be using the forms, and in this case the products form, to insert a new product into our database. So opening it will show this form, and we will insert here the supplier ID. For example, it will be the number 0. We select the product type from the drop down menu. We type the product name and the product description as you want it. We also insert the price and the units in stock that will be available for this product. So now all we have is to click on next record, and we have already added that product to our database. So let's go back to tables, products, and as you can see, there has been created another product now with the product ID 52, and well, with all the data that we have inserted before. Going back to forms, we can see here how we created the form. We used the wizard to create the form. So we all had to choose from that table of products all the attributes that we wanted to be shown in that form. Back into tables, we will show now the customers table. So this is our field name once again, with the customer ID, with an auto value, and all the other fields that we want to know about our customer. So let's open our database. As you can see, there are now already several customers that have been inserted. They are listed through their customer ID, and they show their first name, surname, address, postal code, city, country, email. So we can, if needed, we can sort, for example, our customers through city. So if, for example, we want to know which clients we have in Lisbon, so we have it listed in order. So as you can see, there are only 3 clients in Lisbon, for example. So going back to forms, we use this form. So this form would be available in our website in order for our customers to fill, in order to make their purchases. So all they had to do was to insert their first name, surname, address, and all the other fields that were already shown before. So after the customer had inserted this data, it would be already shown in the the table of our customers that I showed before. We will go back to it again. So let's just finish to fill this form. Okay, now click on next record. In this case, it will let us insert another customer, because if it was working in our website, that was not what would be shown. So as you can see now, let's just order this once again through our customer ID. As you can see, we have now our customer that we previously inserted with its customer ID auto-generated. So these are our older tables that we have available, some that have been used in order to create some other forms, and that form would be this one, the orders form. So this form was built using three different tables: the customer tables, the order tables, and the order products table. So in this first table we can see all the clients that we have already registered in our database, and on the second table we can see all the orders that have been made by our customer. Each order has on the third table the different products that have been ordered in different purchases that the customer made. We can go through all our clients and know which purchases have been made. So the client that we have just inserted has already been created on our first table, but on our second table there is no data available. So let's suppose that the customer is ordering on this day, for example, and we'll want the shipment to arrive, let's suppose, in this day. So we can move to the third table, and from this drop down menu we can select all the products. From all the products we have available, the products that the customer wants. So we, for example, can select the product that we created before, the amount, the quantity that the customer ordered. So we can insert various products and each amount. So this is how we track our customers' orders, which date the orders have been made, and the products that have been ordered by our customers. So another useful function that Base has is the queries, and in this case we created a query that would show the products that would have that we would have in stock with less than 15 units in stock. So we would have let's suppose a warning to tell us that the products are below a certain level. This is how we created the form. And reports is another useful function. Once again, the low inventory level. In this case, there would be a document that would be generated, and this document would show all the information that was on the previous query that was shown. But in this case, a written report. There are also another report for products, and we can go to show last our relations, the relations that are available. So each table that we created, and the relations that have been established between each one. This is our database. Thanks for watching.